Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. The weather here has taken a turn for the worse. If you've got snow on the ground or in the forecast, we've got a warm, creamy drink that'll delight your senses and warm your heart. Let's see what we're gonna need. We're starting with 10 ounces or roughly 300 milliliters of whole milk. You could use 2%, but I wouldn't recommend going any less than that. We'll be using 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. I'm using Guittard semi-sweet baking wafers. You could also use milk chocolate. We'll also be using about a tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. And if you're using semi-sweet chips, we'll be squeezing in probably about a tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. All of this is going together on the stovetop. Now, if you'd rather not buy the baking wafers and use the sweetened condensed milk, you could just use a packet of instant hot cocoa mix. We've used it and it's delicious. Let's get over to the stove and start cooking. I'm heating the milk over medium-low heat. We want it between 150 and 180 degrees. We don't want this to boil. If you'd like to make the high-octane variant of this, the Mocha-Nut, stir in a teaspoon of instant espresso crystals to the hot milk before you add the chocolate. We need to stir this until the chocolate is completely melted. Then we'll add in the peanut butter, and if you want to use it, the sweetened condensed milk. Next goes in the peanut butter and just a little bit of sweetened condensed milk. I still have the burner on very low. All right, let's get this in a mug. It's time to give our cocoa nut a taste. This drink does need to be consumed fairly hot because the peanut butter and the chocolate wafers will start to thicken. I've garnished mine with a little bit of whipped cream and cocoa powder. It tastes like a melted Reese's peanut butter cups. Delicious. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.